Hi everyone, it's Heidi from flutterbyheidi.co.uk, back with a little quick project for you today, just using a single piece of 6x6 paper. Use up that stash. And also a stamp set called Circle Sayings, which is great because it coordinates with the 2 3/8 inch punch which we have in the current catalogue. So that's the punch we're going to use, and this is it. It's a variation on a fold that's been around a while now, but I just thought it was great for creating a little popping a little lip balm in, or any little treat. You could pop a few sweets in there, and all it does is it just holds closed using those circles to hold it closed. So say super quick, super easy. So what I'm going to do is I've got a bit of card here, which is just some basic white. I've got my flower image here, and I've also got my sending you a and smile. So I thought we would start by let's actually use some petal pink, I think, for my sending you a. I'm just going to pop that up near the top. Go of the image, and this is the way I found it easiest to do. So the sending you a, I find, is it fits really well into your circle punch. This was a 3-inch piece of card, and you can just see I'm lining that up on the inside. I'm going to then use my Calypso Coral for my word to make that stand out a bit more, but I think I'm going to use my petal pink actually for my flowers. I think the Calypso Coral might be a little bit might dominate it a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to pop that in the middle there, hopefully so that's roughly level. Just put my flowers around the bottom. And there you go, smile in Calypso Coral in there. Ink pads away before I stick my fingers in there. And this is the perfect size really to pop a lip balm in. I've got one there just to show you when we're done. So the actual project, the actual folding is really easy. I'm using this Inked Botanicals DSP, which is already cut to 6x6, 15.2 by 15.2. You can see here lovely sketchy floral designs, lots of different colours, petal pink and Calypso Coral, some crushed curry, Lost Lagoon and Pool Party as well, and just some nice gingham, so you could use that for masculine cards as well as overall patterns. And that's the to give you an idea, that's the colour palette that it comes with, hence my choice of the Calypso Coral and the petal pink, which go well together. So super easy scoring. Grab your trimmer and your 6x6 piece of paper, and you are just going to score on the one side at 1.5 and at 4.5. Turn through 90 degrees and you're going to score at 2.5 and 3.5. It's as simple as that. So I'm just going to reinforce those score lines, and as we go through, just line up the sides, make sure they're all done. You don't really need to burnish as with a bone folder if you don't want to. If you run it across, it will help it just stay folded if you want to. So we've reinforced those, and then the easy bit is just fold the side in, and you're just going to fold this middle crease to meet that side. So it's a 45-degree angle. Hopefully you can see that there. And I'm just pressing down the corner there. And then repeat that on all 4 corners. So the top bit's coming in, and we're just folding that to meet that centerpiece. And once it's lined up, you can burnish it. So again, just pop a thumbnail in there if you need to. You see that's joining up there. It's creating a little 45 degrees on the inside. And then last one, again. Now you could do this with cardstock if you wanted to, but you know, it's it lends itself really well to paper. Now you'll see that if I fold that up now, it kind of bows out. So all I'm going to do is pinch these sides just together. I mean, obviously you could have it bowing out if you wanted to. I find if it bows out, they tend to lose your whatever little treats you've popped in there. So just pop that in. So you can see that's like a little zigzag. And then we're just going to glue down these four corners, just so that it, just to help it stay shut. I mean, you don't have to. It is one of those kind of no glue projects if you don't want to. So just fold those in. And at this point, you could actually store that ready to use if you wanted to, you know, but I'm not, I'm just doing mine ready to go. So we've got our sending you a smile on the front there. And unusually, instead of putting it on dimensionals, I'm actually going to put it fuse, Stampin' Seal. I am using fuse because I found some in my stash. And I'm just literally eyeballing and popping that on the front there. And I've just put the glue on the bottom section of that. And then I'm going to grab some of my DSP and kind of go, well, I've got, you know, all sorts of scraps in here. So I'm just going to grab a piece and just punch a circle. Then fold that in half. And again, just add some seal onto there. And the glue half, I'm just going to fold over the top. Again, just gently put it in place. Once you're happy with it, pop it in there. And then that, quite simply, tucks in there. So as you can see, it just, a little lip balm actually fits perfectly in there and is perfect to say, sending you a smile. So how about that? A really quick, under 10 minutes project. You could make a whole bunch of these, pop a little sweet treat in there, or whatever else you wanted, but perfect size for a little lip balm, and which is needed in this lovely summer day that I've actually got. Unusual, we've had loads of rain. I hope you've enjoyed. Have a go at making it. Tell me what you pop inside yours. And do hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber, and click that like button if you've enjoyed the project. Thanks for watching. Come back and see me again soon. And if you want to make a purchase, pop along to Stampin' Up and select me as your demonstrator. Make sure you allow contact so I can send you a thank you gift in the post. Bye now.